Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Joymode Performance Booster. It is basically a supplement that will help men for the performance boosting, and it has a nitric oxide blood flow and erection quality, which is the best sport. And now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, this product has overall rating of 3.5 out of 5, which is slightly good, and 973 people have actually reviewed it. So this is a major green signal. Why? Because also this is available on Amazon, and most of the people are reviewing it, which means across 1,000 people have already reviewed it, which means 1,000 plus have bought it. So in conclusion, I would say like this product is not a scam and you can try it, but you should consult with your doctor first, as they also have an official website where showing different testimonials about the doctors and all that. And once I tried to search for their domain name details, I got to know that their domain name was registered back in 2024. So this is pretty much a recent one, but it doesn't solely convey the message of being a scam. So in conclusion, I would say like since being available on the Amazon is already a major green signal because it passes through a lot of safety checks. So I would say like you can use it, but only after consulting with your doctor. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.